football, first off the line. All right, Brian, good luck. Thank you so much for your order. Here we go. There we go. Looking for some swirls. Got Mosaic, Terrell Davis, red, Steve Largent. We have center stage, Lamar Jackson. Is this white? It is not. NFL debut, Justin Fields. Cornell Powell rookie and Mike Strachan rookie. Got Mosaic, Chris Carter, Man of the Year. And Javon Holland, Rookie Mosaic. Men of Mastery, Devontae Adams, Mosaic. Trey Sermon, debut. Shanika, Rookie, and a Nashish Harris. Quarter. Yeah, we do have a queue now. I'd probably say close to about the 30 to 40 minute mark. All right, first auto up for the Dolphins. Jalen Phillips, Rookie Mosaic auto. Jalen Phillips. It's going to be your first auto there for you, Brian. Got Mosaic, Tariq Hill. Silver, Josh Jacobs. Blue chips of Trevor Lawrence. Quiddy Pay debut, Sewell rookie, and Ian Book rookie. All right, looking for both first off the line exclusives and the second auto. We've got debut Mosaic of Greg Rosso. Silver rookie of Kylan Hill for the Packers. Men of Mastery, Tom Brady. Silver Stairmasters, Patrick Mahomes. Baker Mayfield, Quiddy Pay rookie, and a Kyle Trask rookie. We have Rookie Swirl, 211, a Jeremiah Owusu-Koramoah for the Browns. Rookie Swirl. That is 9 out of 11. It's the first swirl there for you, Brian. Got a nice one here. What a red color match here. TB12. Nice Brady and the Pats uni. Red Mosaic. And we've got another nice one. Introductions. Mac Jones. Center stage silver. Warren Moon. Devonta Smith debut. Rookie of Pete Werner and Chuba Hubbard rookie. Chuba Hubba. All right. Looking for 2 hits. Not open. Got Peyton Manning Mosaic. Silver Fletcher Cox. Stairmasters Herbie. We've got gold. Introductions. Uh-oh, come on. Jamar Chase. Boom! Nice hit there, Brian. Gold introductions. That is 7 of 10. Very nice card. Let's see how far they can go. This could be a very big card if they make it to the Super Bowl. I don't know. It's going to be tough, but I think I'm rooting for him, even as a Steeler fan. There you go. Beautiful Jamar Chase gold. That's sick. The gold and the orange just pop. Very nice. Kenneth Gainwell debut, Daz Newsome, and Adafe Owe rookie. Very nice. Think so? Yeah, like I said, it'll be harder, but we'll see if they can do it. We've got second auto for the Jags, a Tony Boselli. Mosaic autographs from the Jags. But nice card. I think that'll be a good game too, though. Herbert Mosaic. We've got rookie Davis Mills. Nice little red color match there for the Texans, Meta Mastery, Dalvin Cook. Blue Chips, Devonta Smith. Terrell Davis. Rosso debut. Kadarius Toney rookie. And Jabril Cox rookie. Still looking for the second swirl. We've got nice debut Mosaic Mac Jones. Another nice hit there for you, Brian. Got silver rookie of Anthony Schwartz for the Browns. Montage Herbert. Silver Men of Mastery, Derrick Henry. He's supposed to be playing. Bet you're looking forward to him returning, huh? Reese McMath rookie and a Jalen Phillips rookie. Just in time, too. All right, we've got the pink swirl, a Julio Jones. That is 7 out of 11. Nice Julio Jones. There you go, Brian. 7 of 11. 11's a jersey number. Nice hit there. We have a silver Dan the Man. Stairmasters, Aaron Rodgers, Swagger, Allen Robinson II. NFL debut, Mac Jones. Jalen Waddle rookie, and a Nick Bolton rookie. He looked pretty good last night. He was playing well on defense. All right, last pack here for you, Brian. Very nice box so far. Allen Robinson II Mosaic. We've got red Jalen Smith. Montage of Jalen Hurts. Swagger Mosaic of Devontae Adams. Big Ben, Trevor Lawrence debut. Javon Holland rookie and a Kenneth Gainwell rookie. All right, that'll do it for you, Brian. Congrats on those hits. Thanks so much, and we'll be getting this right out to you.